Hello everyone. Today I have quick sharing about learning chess. How shouldn't we learn chess? Learning chess from the end to the beginning. So this is the right way. Yes, if we learn chess from the beginning to the end, it is wrong, as most of the people do. And I will try to explain you this variable and the most important principle by examples. If you know your aim, you can achieve it. So let us take examples. Okay, in this position, black to move, take a pause, try to solve this puzzle. If you learn chess properly, it will be very easy. So take a pause. Okay. So if you found the solution, it means you learn chess by right way. If you didn't solve this puzzle, so it means you just simply don't know theoretical knowledge. You don't know this bishop and this pawn. If we remove everything, just this bishop and this pawn versus king, it will be draw. So if we remove rooks, bishop and pawns, this pawn and this bishop with in black corner, yes, it will be drawn. So and of course, if first you need to learn these types of positions with this pawn and bishop versus king, but we just examine now your knowledge and the solution of this puzzle: rook f1, king f1, bishop h3, and if king f2, bishop g2, draw gh. So no matter how many pawns here, but that is theoretical draw. White cannot win. King just can stay in the corner, and an example, if now king g6, it will be draw immediately. If h6, no matter. We cannot push out black king from the corner without stalemate. An example, king g6, that is stalemate and draw. Okay, another example. It's about a position. In this situation, white to move, and if they simply take king f3, yes, black take ab, and black has a position. So now take a pause and try to find the solution. Try to solve this puzzle. Okay, if you know the endings principles, pawns endings, you can solve these puzzles, these types of puzzles for sure. But of course, first you need to learn about the position, and if you know your aim, you can come there, you can achieve it. So in this position, only king g2 will make a draw. King g2, and after ab, a takes b, king takes f3, and that is draw. Now black to move, and white has a position. An example, king e5, king e3, king d5, king e3, king c5, king c3, king b5, king b3, and black cannot push out our king. So they will move pawn, and but if pawn move, it's already draw. Very important, just remember you move your king with line with the pawn like this, and it will be stalemate again. Thank you so much. Hope you understand. I will share about this principle more and more. Okay, I will check this video. That is one of my first videos, so don't judge me so strict. I just I just want to try. Anyhow, thank you.